How to create a Wise account. Want to send money internationally with low fees? Let's walk through how to create your Wise account step by step. First, head to the Wise website. On the home page, click on Register or Get Started. You'll now choose whether you are signing up as an individual or for a business. Enter your email address, choose a strong password, and then select your country of residence. After that, you will be asked to choose the type of account, personal or business. Select the one that suits your needs and continue. Next, Wise may ask you to verify your phone number. Simply enter your number, wait for the verification code via SMS, and enter it when prompted. Once done, your account will be created. Be sure to use your real information and keep your documents ready if Wise asks for verification later. Have you created your account yet? Let me know in the comments below. That's how you can create a Wise account. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.